Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about images in HTML. So there are some certain elements that are meant for images in HTML. So I want us to treat the images, the element for images one after the other. So I have listed the elements here. So number one is the image element. Number two is the map element. Number three is the area element. Number four is the canvas. Number five is the fig caption. Number six is the figure. And then number seven is the picture. So now in today's tutorial, the first element we'll be discussing about is the image. So now let's see, how do we make use of image in our HTML. So let me show you. So the image tag. Now notice the image tag does not have a closing tag. The image element does not have a closing tag. So now we have the source here. The source means where let me say the link to where the image is. So now in my project here, I have already created a file, a folder where I have my image 1, image 2. So now how are we going to link it up? So backslash, now the folder's name, images, then slash, then which image that I want to use. Okay, let me pick the first one. Boom. Now here it is. I have my image here. You can see the image is a very large one. A very large image. You see, it's a very large image. So these are one of the image has a lot of attributes. Now we have made use of this first attribute here, which is the source. The other image attribute by default is the alternative. Now, what do I mean by this alternative? The alternative simply means there are some situations whereby maybe the browser is very slow, or the browser does not support loading of image, or maybe the network is not very good to load up image. So now what you need to do is for you to the alternative that needs to appear if the image did not load up in time, or if the image did not load up at all. This is where this alternative comes in. So let me say my laptop screen. My laptop screen. So now you can see we have a very large image here. So how can we reduce the size? So we can reduce the size of our image using the attribute of our image element. So I can decide to reduce it, the width. I can say the width should be 300. Now you see, then I can decide to say the height. The height should be, let me say 300. No, that's very bad. Let me make it 200. Yep. Now you see. So now this is how we can successfully make use of our image element in HTML. So you can upload your image, you can resize. I can increase the size, I can decrease the size by using the attributes in the image element. So in this tutorial so far, we have been able to upload an image to our website, and we have been able to understand the attributes of the image element. Number one is the source, where the image is. Number two is the alternate. The alternate is a situation whereby if the image didn't load up, so, and the alternate is also for screen readers. You understand? So then number 3 is the width. Then number 4 is the height, which we use to reshape our image. So this is the end of today's section. In the next section, we'll be discussing more about the element of images. Thank you.